Pre-open the top cover of the display screen. Pre-open the left and right AC vents. Take out the display screen and unplug the cables. Connect the hazard light adapter cable. Connect the power cable, speaker cable, rear antenna and the steering wheel control wires. Plug in the CANBUS protect box and the OBDII cable. Plug in the OBDII into port at the lower right to the driver's seat. Connect the protect cable to the display screen. Connect the radio, antenna, power cable and SIM card slot cable. Connect to USB cable. Connect 360 camera plug and the hazard light cable. Let's check the final installation effect. Do you like it? If yes, you can come to our store roadnavier.com to get yours.